Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. ChromeOS 120 has been released. And in today's video, we will delve to the latest release, ChromeOS 120, highlighting its significant updates and bug fixes. Stay tuned as we will discuss the key features that every ChromeOS user should be aware of. So without getting much more delay, let's get started. So the very first update is the virtual desk shift. To enable this, just right click on the taskbar and here you'll find show desk name. Just click on here and here you'll find desk 1. Just click on here and here you will find virtual desk setup option. Just click on the plus button and you will see that new desk has been created and you can just rename it. One application is open there and here is desk 2. If you click on here, it will be desk 3. Now the interesting part of this, just if you click on here, you will go to the next tab. And here I'm opening an application. On the third desk I'm also opening another application settings. Now if you want to change the desk, just click on here and you will go to desk 1 and you will swipe up, and if you click on this icon you will swipe up to the another desk just like this. And if you want to delete the desk, just click on here and here you will find the options. If you click on this icon, desk will be deleted and the shortcut key of virtual desk will be shift plus search plus 1 2 or 3. Here 1 or 2 or 3 will be the desk number. In my case it is a desk 1 and it is desk 2 and it is desk 3. If you want to go to desk 2, then you will have to press shift plus search plus 2. If you want to go to desk 3, then you will have to press shift plus search plus 3. It will work like this. Now just click on this cross and every desk will be deleted. Now if you want to hide this name, just right click on the taskbar and click on the hide desk name. Boom, it is vanished. Now welcome to the big update of ChromeOS 120. If you want to share any file from your ChromeOS device or your Android device to ChromeOS, just right click on the file and here you'll find share option. Just click on the share and here you'll find a new option called nearby share. Just click on it and from here you can send your file or receive any file from Android device to ChromeOS device or simultaneously ChromeOS device to Android device. Really, it's a big update for ChromeOS 120. If you are using the same mail ID on your ChromeOS device or Android device, it will receive every file automatically, even your ChromeOS device is in screen off state. In ChromeOS 120, the new app manager is also updated. Just go to the settings, then apps, and here you will find manage your apps. Just let me select one application and it will show the app details from where you can download, you can update the app, everything else. You can see that automatically Play Store has been opened. You will find if there is any update or anything else. Now you can set a custom key on your ChromeOS device. Just go to settings, then go to device and then keyboard, and here you'll find the option customize keyboard keys. Just click on here and here you will find for Meta the launcher and control. It will work as control. You can change from here, and for alt you can change for action just like this. You can select from there whatever you want. You can also change the action just like this. To delete, it is launcher plus backspace. You can change as your own, that is alt plus backspace, or disable, or you can also disable it. And here are many options, you can change or disable them. In ChromeOS 120, touchpad also been updated. To change, just go to devices. In ChromeOS 120, you can also change the touchpad actions. If you are using a laptop or Chromebook, hence I'm using ChromeOS on desktop, then I can change. There's a cool update in ChromeOS 120, that is new media control. You can simply open the Chrome browser and then just type Chrome : // and flags, then hit enter. Then flags will open here and just search for global, and here you'll find global media control, cast, and global media control cross UI into independent part. Just click on the tab, click on enable, just also enable this, also enable this, and just click on start. Okay, it's restarted. You can restore them. Okay, they are enabled. It will be good if you enable the nearby sharing self. Just click on here, enable it. Okay, restart. Click on restore. Okay, everything is done. Now, another cool update in ChromeOS 120 is global media control. If you play any songs or any media on your player, here you'll find an icon just like this. If you click on here, you'll find user interface just like this. Here the music icon will go just like a web, and the user interface looks really awesome. Material U, it's a great feature, and you can also control your music from there. If you click here, it will be picture-in-picture mode. There's another great feature in ChromeOS 120. Go to settings and devices and here mouse. You can now control your mouse from there. You can control your cursor speed from slow to faster or faster to slow or medium just like this. You can also customize the button, which button will work. I will leave them as default. Now last but not the least, another super cool feature, that is faster split screen. Just go to Plex and search for overview, and here you'll find enable faster split screen setup. Just click on the drop down and enable it. Now just click on restart. Okay, just close it. Now I'm just opening some of the applications. Too many applications. Settings, Chrome. I'm just checking Chrome. Okay, like this, and you can see that here are the other applications. If I select an application, it will be here, and if I just click here, it will show just like this. It will split screen portrait, and whatever you will choose, it will be like this. These were the main features of ChromeOS 120. Thanks for watching.